The past continuous tense describes actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. It is used when you want to show that something was in progress. For example, I was walking or they were playing. It helps express what was going on around a certain moment in time. The past continuous tense is formed using the past form of the verb to be, followed by the base verb and the ing ending. Use was for singular subjects and were for plural subjects. For example, I was walking or we were playing. This structure shows that the action continued for a period of time in the past. To form positive sentences in the past continuous tense, follow this pattern. Subject plus was or were plus the verb with the ing ending. For example, I was watching television. She was cooking dinner. They were playing football. We were studying English. Each of these actions continued for a duration in the past. Let us look at an example. I was studying English. The subject is I, the past form of the verb to be is was. The main verb is study with the ing ending, becoming studying. Together they form the complete sentence, I was studying English. It means that the action of studying was happening for some time in the past. Use was with singular subjects like I, he, she, and it. Use were with plural subjects like you, we, and they. For example, I was reading, and they were playing. This distinction helps you match the correct form of the verb to be with the subject of your sentence. Here are more examples using the past continuous tense. He was driving to work when it started raining. She was painting a picture all afternoon. We were dancing at the party last night. They were laughing during the movie. These sentences all describe ongoing actions that happened in the past. The past continuous tense often uses time expressions to show when the action was happening. For example, yesterday at 7 p.m., I was eating dinner. At that moment, they were talking to the teacher. While she was studying, he was watching television. These time phrases make it clear what was happening and when. Let us practice forming sentences in the past continuous tense. Fill in the blanks using was or were and add the correct verb with the ing ending. For example, I was reading a book at 9 p.m. They were playing football in the park. She was cooking dinner when we arrived. We were watching a movie last night. He was talking on the phone when it rang. Remember, the correct form is subject plus was or were plus the verb ending in ing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.